The easiest way to create an accessible table in Canvas is to use an accessibility checker. You may use the Canvas Accessibility Checker or the Pope Tech Instructor Accessibility Guide. Either tool will work. In this example, I will use the Canvas Accessibility Checker. The Accessibility Checker is located below the WYSIWYG, or the box that you type your text in. The Canvas Accessibility Checker will walk you through how to create an accessible table. First, it will ask you to write a caption. I am going to cut and paste the title I use for this table. I'm going to paste the title under the Add a Caption text field. Select Apply. Now set the table header. I am going to select Header Row and Column to provide students more navigation power. Select Apply to save your work. I just covered how to create an accessible table using the Canvas Accessibility Checker. Thanks for watching.